to our channel. So today we are playing Would You Rather. So basically इसमें क्या होगा? We have these chits. So इसमें it's exactly like this or that. So I'm gonna pick a chit. Likewise he'll pick the another one, and then we'll ask questions.
Okay, I understood. And I have to write it down.
Yes, you
And
have to write it
answer
down.
matches or not.
Yeah, and we'll see if our
answers
matches or not. So let's go.
Okay.
So who's going first?
So let's go. I'll start. Okay.
What's the question?
The question is, would you rather watch a romantic comedy movie or a thriller?
So,
Okay.
I know yours.
I know yours.
But खुद का लिखना है, okay?
Okay.
So,
1, 2, 3.
go. मुझे दिखा. मुझे मालूम था. So mine is romantic comedy and of course इसका thriller है क्योंकि इसको thriller बहुत पसंद है. Suspense.
Okay.
So yes.
Moving on to the next one. Pick it.
Okay. हमारे साथ आप भी खेलो और आप देखो कि आप क्या पिक करते हो, okay?
Yeah.
Would you rather be 10 minutes late or always 20 minutes early? That's easy. "20 minutes early." Obviously.
We hate being late.
We hate being late.
We hate being late and we hate when others are late also.
So the third one.
Okay, so let's go. Would you rather relive your proposal day or your wedding day?
Would you rather relive your proposal day or your wedding day? Or like marriage day? No, yeah, I know my answer, but I don't know yours. Oh my god. Okay, what's yours? क्या है? Wedding day, proposal day.
Proposal day नहीं. Proposal day पे मुझे same to you बोला गया था.
That's another story, but I think but I think mine would be obviously the proposal day because that was like decades before. Like I think 2 decades. 2 भी नहीं होगा यार. 2 नहीं होगा. 1 decade and around.
Almost 2 decades.
Almost
2005.
5, yeah. So that's the reason मेरे को जाके मतलब that time I did not know how to respond.
So she gave a response as same to you.
So basically उसने मुझे I love you बोला and what I was like around 12 years old, 12 or 13 I think, and yeah I think I was 12. I was about to enter my teens and he proposed and he said I love you. I was like, what do I say? And I was like, same to you, and it was embarrassing. So I want to relive that day and tell you I love you too.
Great.
So yeah, but that's about it. So moving on
to the next one, yeah.
Mine. So, would you rather participate in a couple game show or a couple reality show?
Okay.
I think यार वो ये सेम आना चाहिए हाँ क्योंकि अपने को एक साथ जाना है ना.
I don't know, it might differ, I feel. It might differ. So 1, 2, 3.
Go. Yeah! Hi.
Like reality also we can do.
Yeah.
But I think more of games, we love games.
Yes.
So game show.
Game shows will be like super fun क्योंकि हम वैसे भी बहुत competitive है against each other. So as a partner, I think we would be
More of game.
Yeah. So yours.
So the next one, ये कुछ थोड़ा सा बड़ा. Oh my god. Would you rather be able to read each other's mind or always know what the future holds for both of you? Future schools for you. Okay.
Oh my god, I don't know.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Obviously, because you want it to be right now. Like,
Right,
okay, what
present.
will happen now
Yeah.
and not future. यार future किसने देखा और
मेरा रीजन ना बहुत क्यूट है बोलूं.
हाँ.
मेरा रीजन है कि ईच अदर माइंड इसके लिए क्योंकि अगर मेरा तुम्हें सैड रहेगा और मैं तेरा माइंड रीड कर पाया और मुझे पता चल गया तेरा रीजन ये होने का सैड होने का तो मैं तेरे को चिल कर दूंगा.
Very good.
इसके लिए.
So moving on to the next one.
My I have to pick. Oh my god. Okay. Would you rather find true love again if you lost each other or win the lottery tomorrow? Okay, you got the question?
Right.
Would you rather find, so supposing, would you rather find true love again if like one of us are like dead? Or would you win a lottery tomorrow? Would you go and find for a true love again? Or would you like want to win a lottery? Yeah, this is so easy.
1, 2, 3. Lottery.
हमारा concept
lottery.
हमको lottery दे दो. हमारा he always tells me, so I always ask the stupid questions कि what if I die, what would you do? So ये बोलता है मैं जितने भी पैसे accumulate किए है ना वो ले लूँगा and मैं मेरे सोलो ट्रिप पे चला जाऊँगा. He doesn't want to find love. Okay.
So moving on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Would you rather explore a new city together or relax at a resort?
Ah,
Interesting.
depends, but I think our answer should be same. Explore
New city.
New city, yeah. रेस्ट नहीं करते हमको.
हाँ, some we plan our holidays this way mostly कि हाँ जब बहुत ज़्यादा tiring हो गया है so we'll relax. We'll stay in one resort.
When was the last time that you went and
My
you
birthday.
relaxed? You relaxed?
Last to last.
Yeah, last to last.
We went to this fort Jadavgarh and बस relax किया और
Yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं किया.
That's true.
So that is what we do. Expensive जगह book कर लेंगे बस पूरा दिन वहीं पर रहेंगे और कुछ नहीं करेंगे. But when we want to explore, we'll be like do 3, 4, 5 things in a day. One day में ये भी explore करना है वो भी like our Dubai trip.
We probably, if I'm not mistaken, we walked around कितने steps? Around 25,000.
20-25,000
5,000
steps every
steps.
day.
Yeah,
like we have done that.
Yes. So we love exploring new cities, by the way.
So moving on to the next one.
I have to pick.
Yes, I picked it.
Would you rather go on a dream vacation for a week or spend a month traveling around your own country? Okay. I'm not sure what your answer is going to be, but we can.
One, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Vacation.
Dream vacation.
क्योंकि क्या it is very simple. Like dream vacation is something that okay doesn't fit our budget right now. So dream vacation कोई दे दे तो चले जाए. Now the 1 month easily in the country हम लोग we can do that. We can easily go for.
So we would prefer the first one.
First one.
Yeah, that
was
is-
an option.
Yeah, the dream vacation for a week is also fine. Yours.
But that has to be sponsored by someone.
कोई हमारे लिए स्पॉन्सर नहीं कर रहा है.
Please कोई कर दो. Okay. Would you rather kiss in the rain or kiss under the stars? Interesting.
मुझे पता है इसका आंसर. You prefer?
1, 2, 3.
Stop. We
Barish.
prefer-
We hate Barish. The poor.
No, yeah, we're not a बारिश fan.
बारिश.
घर से बैठ के बारिश देखना is a different thing, and going out
In the
in
rain,
that
we don't.
dirt, no.
So the last one.
Yes,
It's yours, I think.
mine. I am completely forgetting about it. अच्छा छोटू है. Would you rather be famous for your talent or for your kindness? I better be. What I'm writing right now. This is the last one, okay? I better be this. Your talent के लिए तो मैं famous anyways हो ही जाऊंगा.
We get
मगर-
famous, but
मगर
for kindness.
kindness के लिए तू तो famous है पर मैं नहीं हूँ. मुझे होना है. I come across as a very good person. I don't know why I'm super kind. You have to agree.
Yeah.
I'm super kind, but I don't come across because I get all bad people. Okay, and also currently, like at today's date, we have a subscribers. Our subscribers are around 489, and we are so grateful to all the 489 people, to all our subscribers. So much love to you all. Please take a moment. If you like our content, subscribe. Comment down what else do you want
Share.
us to do, share, and yes, like the video. And if you have any suggestions, we are open to it. Just write it down in the comment section and we will get those
Videos
for
up
you.
for you.
So yes.
So let us know if you want more of travel videos, you want these type of knowing each other videos,
Or
and
some relationship
or some
ज्ञान.
relationship gyan.
बहुत है हमारे पास, बहुत.
बहुत. So if you want something like that, do comment and we will get that to you. We are targeting in the next 2 months to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please help us get there. So yeah, until then, take care and bye-bye.
Love.